This is the highest that we have seen of the COVID-19 case numbers in the hospital since January.
Dr. Olivia Casirier, the Sacramento County Public Health Officer, sharing some alarming numbers. With 348 COVID-19 hospitalizations in the county, including 83 patients in the intensive care unit, a request for the public
that they reserve these resources, the emergency room and 911 and ambulance calls, only for emergencies that require that kind of care.
We're at the point now where
Sac Metro Fire has observed the uptick in COVID calls.
Generally, most of them are mild. It's very rare that we're going on something that is severe or life-threatening.
When an ambulance arrives at the emergency room, it can take between 1 and 3 hours to get a bed. For milder symptoms, home care may be a better option.
Don't allow fear to hinder your decision-making process. Call your primary care doctor, run it by them, see if this is an appropriate avenue to utilize the 911 system.
There are also reports of patients going to the ER for COVID testing, but they shouldn't be.
It's a matter of expanding hours, adding staff, capacity really.
Instead, the county health department is ramping up again at 13 community testing sites, asking people to go there. And testing has tripled in the last month.
And Sacramento County said the average age of people hospitalized has dropped in the latest surge, from people in their 60s to those in their 50s. It's an indication the Delta variant is impacting younger people. In Nevada County tonight, the Public Health Department says they're seeing a 1,200% increase in COVID-19 cases since last month. The county has reported more than 6,000 cases since last report on Wednesday. That is quite the increase compared to July 1st, when 4,900 cases were reported. Nevada County Public Health says a majority of the people who are hospitalized are unvaccinated.
I think we got a bit complacent. June 15th announcement beyond the blueprint. I think we took it as the fact that we're clear of this virus, and then along came the Delta.
Nevada County Public Health says the best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is to wear a mask, get vaccinated, and cancel elective surgeries. Well, we are tracking the latest on the Dixie Fire tonight. The second largest wildfire in California history grew even more overnight. The Dixie Fire now has reached more than 510,000 acres. That is 9,000 acres more than it was reported yesterday. It's 30% contained, and it started about a month ago and has destroyed more than 1,100 buildings, mostly homes and businesses in 4 counties. PG&E is under investigation after it claimed its equipment might have sparked this fire. Well, the Dixie Fire forcing hundreds of people to evacuate. It is a process that's traumatic and stressful, not just on the body, but also on the mind. ABC 10's Monica Coleman spoke with an expert on the importance of mental health resources